again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing the bash bars on my NC. There is still so much to do on this car. This is just one of the many things. We're also doing an NC2 bumper conversion on it. Here's the bumper. So I bet you could guess what car this came off of. But for that whole project, we're gonna need to repaint that bumper. So that's gonna be a whole separate video because I don't have anything to do that right now. And I also don't even have headlights for this yet. So first things first, we're just gonna start taking off this bumper and getting the bash bars on. Okay, so I've just finished the first step, which is pulling the nuts off that are right behind these headlights. And didn't get any footage of that because there's quite literally nothing you could see because it's behind the fender liner and it's way up in there, so I just didn't even film that. But there's two nuts on both sides behind the headlights. This car does not have the skid plate on, so I don't have to worry about any of that. So last thing should just be this top row of bolts. Okay, so the bumper's off. Now we just need to work on taking this off, which I'm assuming is the same as the NC2, NC3 bumpers, where it is 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Hang on, let me see if I can get the camera to focus. It doesn't want to. Okay. So there's 4 bolts on each side, and then it's just these plastic clips here. And then I have a cold air intake to put on as well, so that'll be another video. But here it sits right now, and then we will put the bash bar on. So something else you can kind of see, not well, but a little bit. Obviously I'm gonna need a new radiator condenser setup. Honestly, we're probably just gonna pull the condenser because I haven't used AC in the 2 years I've owned this car because it's not been working. So I'm probably just gonna pull it. But both the radiator and the condenser got damaged when I was in the accident. So we're gonna need a new one of those very soon. Okay, so we are all done with the front bash bar, and I am leaving the bumper off. And the reason for that is I'm actually doing an NC2 conversion on the front end, and I'm just waiting on the headlights to show up. So that will be a separate video. But in this video, we're gonna go ahead and do the rear bumper as well. So let's get to it. Okay, so you're gonna have these 2 bolts here in the fender well, and then there's gonna be one behind the plastic here, as well as one right here on the bottom. I can't tell you what sizes yours are going to be because mine are all replaced because this car's been in an accident and a lot's been done back here. However, mine are 8s and 10s. Hopefully that helps. Okay, so you're gonna need to remove these top bolts, and then there should be bolts under your taillights. Again, my car's been in an accident, not a thing. And then you need to remove the taillight as well. Okay, I'm gonna be careful with this bumper because it's been repainted and repaired recently, so I'd like to keep the paint nice. Okay, so now we're gonna take the stock bash bar off. It's 3 bolts on either side. This part's easy. Okay, simple, plain, that's what I wanted. Literally just using this to replace the stock bar there, and it looks really good. Let's get some of the details. Okay, so the rear bar is on. It looks great. It was a really easy install. Honestly, I think this one was easier than the front one because the bumper is easier to take off. However, the rear bumper on that car was a lot harder and the front bumper was easier, but that's because that car still has some crash damage, whereas this one's actually been repaired. So, you know, I can't really say for sure which one's easier because they were both equally hard in opposite ways. But it's on, it looks great, so let's get that rear bumper back on. Rear bumper is back on and we are all done with the 2.5 swap rear bash bar installs. I'm so stoked on these. They look so good. There's so much attention to detail and I'm absolutely loving them. I'm very excited to get these out on track. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and I'll catch you in the next one.